India's naval strength significantly surpasses that of Pakistan in virtually every dimension: fleet size, technological depth, operational doctrine, and indigenous capability. India currently fields a fleet of around 290 vessels, featuring 2 operational aircraft carriers, INS Vikrant and INS Vikramaditya, 11 destroyers, 12 frigates, 18 corvettes, and 18 submarines, including nuclear-powered platforms. In stark contrast, Pakistan's fleet includes 148 ships, with no aircraft carriers or destroyers, 15 frigates, 16 corvettes, and 16 submarines, the majority being older-generation diesel-electric models. The doctrines guiding these fleets also reflect divergent ambitions and strategic priorities. India follows a blue water strategy, focused on projecting naval power across the Indo-Pacific, safeguarding sea lanes, and providing credible deterrence against regional threats. India's Defence Research and Development Organisation, DRDO, is undertaking a transformative upgrade of its indigenous Smart Anti-Airfield Weapon, SAAW, evolving it from a precision glide bomb into a jet-powered mini-air-launched cruise missile with substantially enhanced capabilities. This strategic development represents a significant milestone in India's pursuit of advanced precision strike technologies and reflects the nation's growing emphasis on self-reliance in critical defense systems. Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov is set to meet India's External Affairs Minister, EAM, S. Jaishankar in Moscow on August 21, 2025, for comprehensive discussions on bilateral and multilateral cooperation. Announcing this on X, the Russian Ministry of Foreign Affairs stated that the two leaders will deliberate on key issues in the India-Russia bilateral agenda, alongside important aspects of collaboration within major international platforms. Maruti Suzuki India Limited, MSAL, is set to significantly broaden its business horizons, as its board approved alterations to the object clause of its Memorandum of Association, MOA, during a meeting held on July 31, 2025. These changes, which will be put to the shareholders for approval at the upcoming AGM scheduled for August 28, 2025, represent a strategic evolution that expands the company's focus well beyond traditional automobile manufacturing. The revised MOA now explicitly includes the manufacturing of drones, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and unmanned aircraft systems, UAS, along with advanced technologies related to propulsion and control systems. This extension leverages Maruti Suzuki's engineering, manufacturing, and R&D capabilities to enter the growing markets of industrial, commercial, agricultural, defense, and logistics drone applications. Nelco Limited, a Tata Group company and a leading satellite communications service provider in India, has signed a significant agreement with French satellite operator Eutelsat to deliver OneWeb Low Earth Orbit, LEO, satellite connectivity services across the country. During a remarkable event termed Dronathon, troops from the Gurj Division of the Indian Army, part of the 9 Corps, demonstrated an extraordinary feat of innovation and operational readiness by assembling 50 drones in just 3 hours. This impressive accomplishment took place at Mamoon Military Station in Punjab and highlighted the Indian Army's commitment to integrating advanced technology and rapid deployment capabilities within its ranks. At least 9 Pakistani soldiers were killed in a militant attack in the country's rest of southwestern Balochistan province, a government official said Tuesday. A senior official of Washuk district said dozens of militants attacked a police station and a border force compound. The army was attacked by terrorists on their way to respond. The terrorists killed 9 soldiers, he told AFP on condition of anonymity as he was not authorized to speak to the media. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has strongly ruled out any voluntary withdrawal of Ukrainian troops from territories still under Kiev's control in the Donbass region, dismissing proposals for a land swap with Russia. Zelensky emphasized that ceding land in Donbass would simply enable Russia to launch renewed aggression in a few years and push further into Ukraine. He highlighted that these territories are illegally occupied, and such territorial issues cannot be separated from security guarantees. Zelensky warned against gifting Russia around 9,000 square kilometers, which is about 30% of the Donetsk region, calling it a springboard for new Russian aggression. The Indian Army successfully foiled a major infiltration attempt along the line of control, LOC, in the Uri sector of Jammu and Kashmir's Baramulla district during the night of August 12 to 13, 2025. The infiltration attempt was reportedly backed and supported by Pakistan's Border Action Team, BAT, a specialized unit designed for cross-border operations involving Pakistan's special forces and terror groups operating from Pakistani territory. The attackers aimed to carry out a strike near Tikka post within the area of responsibility of 16 Sikh Li. 09 Bihar Advance Party, under Police Station Uri's jurisdiction.